everyone, welcome back to another video. It's Saturday, so we're going to do another painting today. We're going to do a Dutch pour. So come along and join me and let's see if I can create a really beautiful Dutch pour today. Come and join me. So before we get started, these are the dried results from last weekend. We have this swipe. It turned out so pretty. Look at the colors. Very, very pretty. And I love these swipes. I love the patterns. I love the designs. And I love the colors. And I will do a lot more of these. I'll probably do one tomorrow. So look out for that. Then there's this one, which was the Dutch pour. And let me try and show you. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of gold in this painting, which is metallic, and it's just shimmering and shining all over the place. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but anyway, lovely little Dutch pour that we did, and the green and the gold were both metallic, so that's why there's so much glimmer and shining on this painting. So very cool. Those two will be photographed today and put in my Etsy shop, so you can have a look there. And then I'm going to just bring you up. Right, so I've just got a hexagon shaped canvas on my spinner. Let me put my gloves on quick and then we'll get started. I've got three colors. I've got blue, green and gold, and then I've got some white, and I've watered them all down a little bit because for the Dutch pour, remember, your paints need to be a little bit thinner to be able to blow it out. And I'm just going to cover my canvas with paint. So this is just to cover the canvas. Okay. This just helps you to spin it out afterwards, that's all. Okay. Right, so what I want to do is I want to put a white puddle down in the middle. And then into the white puddle, I'm going to put some gold. And I'm going to put some of this lovely green. And I'm going to add some of this blue. Okay, and I think I will just put just a touch of white, and if I've got any more gold, yeah, I do. I just smash more of that. Okay. Now I'm really slowly and carefully going to blow this out because I just want to do it once. So let's give this a go. I put the thing right in the paint. Anyway, that's a problem. Right. Wow. There's a lot of gold. So let us spin this out and see what we get. I just want to bring the paint down and let's spin it out. I don't even know if you can see all the gold that's shimmering here in the sun. I'm just going to leave it as it is and spin it again. Wow. That is so pretty. So now just go around and make sure all your sides are covered. You can just dab the paint on and it will run down on its own. That is perfect, all covered. Wow, I really like that. Look at that. So pretty. So let me I don't see any bubbles, but I think it's best if I just give it a quick torch with my heat gun, because the paints were watered down just before I used them. Actually, yeah, there's some tiny bubbles there from watering them down and mixing them. So let me just get this with a heat gun. Okay, that is very, very pretty. So I'm going to take it off my spinner and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So here it is. Look at it. Look at the colors. It is very, very pretty. So like I said, I don't know if you're going to be able to see the gold, but obviously when it is dry you'll be able to see it. I wonder, let me put my flash on, maybe it'll help. But there is a lot of gold and beautiful blue and green. Beautiful patterns and designs, and I've got a white cells. Look at these cells that have popped up. They are very unusual, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. These cells are, they almost look like cloudy, and it looks like the cells that you would get if you use DecoArt satin enamels, but I don't have satin enamels in here. And this whole middle part is just full of, there, you can see it there, full of gold. And there's gold all over there, all over. Gold all the way up there. There's gold in there. There's gold in there. There's even gold in there. And in there. So, look there. There's just gold everywhere. And, yeah, like I said, you'll see it better when it's dry. It's difficult to show it when it's wet. But, wow. Very happy with that. So there we go, quick and easy painting done this morning. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Doesn't cost you anything, just hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell, because it'll bring up my videos every time you log into Facebook, and then you won't miss any of my videos. So so do that, and then yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for another painting. Yeah, join me tomorrow, and I think I'll do another swipe tomorrow, and then again I'm going to photograph those paintings now and put them in my Etsy shop. So please have a look at my Etsy shop. I again have discounted all the prices on my paintings. And all the prices in my shop do include worldwide postage. So go and have a look, and I'll put the descriptions to my Etsy shop down underneath this video. And that's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.